Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to save the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just disable any unnecessary connections. For an example, if you're using Wi-Fi, just disable mobile data, and if you're not using Bluetooth, just disable it. And the same goes with all the other connections on your Samsung phone. After you do that, then the next step is to open settings, then go to display. From here, just enable dark mode, then tap on motion and smoothness. And from here, instead of adaptive, just select standard. Then tap on apply. After that, just go back and tap on battery. And in this section, just make sure you enable battery saving. And as you can see, as I have enabled battery saving, the battery life went from 6 hours and 27 minutes to 8 hours and 54 minutes. Then tap on background usage limits and go to sleeping apps. And in this section, just add the apps which you don't want to run in the background. For that, just tap on the plus icon over here and select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. And once you select the apps which you don't want to run in the background, then tap on add. After doing that, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on location. Tap on location services. And from here, just make sure you disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. If any of these is enabled, just tap on the toggle to disable it. Now after doing that, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. And from here, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then select OK. And after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page. And from here, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. And on this page, you will find the option of running services. Just tap on it. And on this page, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. And in this section, just select the app which you don't want to run in the background. For an example, if I don't want the Messages app to run in the background, just tap on it and select Stop. And tap on OK. And once you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. And this is how you can save the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.